Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into the exciting world of Movavi video editor and learn how to add cool effects to your videos. Get ready to take your video editing skills to the next level and captivate your audience. Adding cool effects to your videos can transform them from ordinary to extraordinary. With Movavi video editor, you have a vast array of creative tools and effects at your disposal to make your videos visually stunning and truly captivating. The first step is to import your video into Movavi Video Editor timeline. For that, I have this video. I'm going to drag it and drop it right here. And then I'm going to place it on my timeline. I have this video and this video is about like 11 seconds. To add the effects, just select your video. And then on the left side, you can see there is an option for the effects that is right under the transitions. Just click on it. And here are some of the cool effects that you can choose from. These are the featured and these are the most used. So if I play on this video, that's a motion blur effect. You can use the half-tone color to add this effect to your video. And there are tons of options that you can choose from. For example, if you select all, you can just scroll down here, select the camera shake and place right here. And there you go. You see the video is not moving. And that's just because of the camera shake that you have added. You can choose the film strips, again as you like. You can choose this effect to flip your video. Or you can use the hearts to add the overlay to your video. You can use the light tweaks. Isn't it great? Here are some of the filters that you can choose from. You can add the noise, the artistic, blur, color filters, flying objects, and many more. There are tons of options that you can choose from. The snowflakes, the flowers, and many more. And congratulations on adding cool effects to your videos by using Movavi Video Editor. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.